In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your project management system, your task management system, your delegation system in less than 5 minutes using Airtable. So having a project management system is very important to know exactly which project you are working on, which task you need to delegate to your team, and what is everyone working on next. And so that increases your communication, that increase productivity, and allows you to actually scale your business easier and faster. So let's get into it. What we need to do is, if you don't have an Airtable account, just click the link below this video. You will find the link to create an Airtable account, and you will need to create a new workspace. So we're going to call it workspace. And what we need to do here is to come to templates on the bottom left. Templates, you're going to have project management. And we're simply going to click try this template. And I will show you exactly how it works and the few different things that you can do to manage your team, manage your projects, manage your tasks. So just like that, in less than 1 minute, you have your project management, your task management, and your delegation system created all in one place with all the features you will ever need, literally. So that's why I love Airtable, because this is so easy to use, especially with these templates, that is going to allow you to do a lot and be way more productive in just a few minutes. So here you come here and you can see your task based on the user that is connected right here and right now. So we have 3 tasks to do. We have executed 4 tasks already. And then we can see the task and by projects. So here we have different projects and the task associated with them. And you can see that each project has a percentage done. So this is calculated based on the numbers of tasks that have been completed. So on this one, you can see that all the tasks have been completed. So the project is done. Okay. So then on this one, you can see only 10%. So 1 task out of these 10 tasks has been completed. This one is in progress. You can edit this. So let's say now we're going to work on the design 3D model. So now we're going to assign this to Malik, and this is going, like, you can change the start date, the end date, etc., etc. Then you have the schedule. So this is a view to see like what are the next task and like the dependencies of this task. So create video tutorials for coding concept needs to be done after we implement a progress tracking system. So it's already done inside of this, but you can see like for different projects, where are we at, what are we working on, what has been done based on the colors, and what is in progress and what needs to be done. Okay, so that's it. Then we have a Kanban based on projects as well. So let's say we want to explore Mars. So first we have the conceptual. So this has been done. Right now we are working on collaborating with beta testers for feedback, and this is attributed to Sophia. And then we have the roadmap of the projects. So first, we are going to know that January 1st, we're going to be working on a lot of projects. So January is a busy month for us. And then when we finish by February, then the projects are going to be spread out a little bit more. So that allows you to review exactly what are the priorities and the project and the task that you need to be working on with your team. And finally, we have management. So this is going to be for you to see like overall what are the percentage of tasks that has been completed, what are the percentage of tasks that are overdue, and you can click here to see what are all the tasks that are overdue based on the end date. And you can see for each person how many tasks that they have assigned. So you're like, okay, so maybe Andre, you have too much on your plate right now. Let's just assign more to Aria or Elia to get a lot more done, and so we spread the task a little bit more. Okay, so then you have the status breakdown. So to do 70%, in progress 11%, and done 19%. And you can have like your entire team see how much they've done throughout the utilization breakdown. Not quite sure how that works. Okay, so that's based on task, 2 days of work. Yeah, so that allows you to see how busy people are during a specific day. So Ava is working on 3 tasks here, and that's going to take 4 work days. So that's why it's calculated based on here. So depending on their workload. And finally, we have the team. So here you can see everybody, the full-time people you have on your team, the contractors you have on your team, and you can go ahead and edit them right there. You can send them a message in Slack if you want to. So that allows you to really manage everything in one place. You can add someone right from here, and you can manage your projects, you can manage your tasks. So if you want to add a new project, standard project, small project, we're just going to add a project. So the test project, we're going to add the task layer. You can add a picture. So I'm not going to do that, but let me show you now the data side of Airtable for this project management system. We have the getting started. So you have my task, summary of the current task of, so all your tasks, project and tasks. So that's the task broken down by project, the schedule. So it's a Gantt timeline for showing the order of which task will be worked on. Kanban. So this is the Trello board. High level, so the roadmap, high level roadmap to long-term work and outcomes. So that's by project only, and then insights. So this is the management for the team. So what we can do is just hide this table here and just go into people. So here, this is where you can manually edit the people, the tasks they are assigned to, the role that they have, if they are contractor, full-time. So this is where you're going to edit your team in here. And then this is where we have the projects. So let's say you only have 3 projects. So we're going to select this and we're going to delete all of this. Then what we can do is we can see here that all the tasks without a project we can remove. So let's remove this. Let's remove. Oops. So we can remove from 1 to here. Delete all tasks. Actually, like what I would recommend is that you delete all the tasks and start from scratch. For the project, I would add the name of your project. So maybe right now you're working on building like community. So you have the community, maybe you have a software. So you would type the name of your software, and here you can have marketing. So even if you're using this as a solopreneur, you can have something like personal tasks. And then when you go in the interface, you will be able to see, okay, community doesn't have any tasks. So let me add a task. So let's create a welcome post. Cool. So now we have it done. The status to do, assignee, we're going to do this to Sophia. And the start date is going to be today. The deadline is for Friday. Okay. So there you can see exactly what are the tasks, etc. And then you can link this to another task. So for predecessor, this is going to be the predecessor task, and then we can have invite members, just to show you, invite members. So don't hit enter. So to do, Sophia is going to be responsible for this. Deadline, once again, Friday. And now what we can say is this one is we need to wait to create the welcome post before we invite the members. And you're going to see in the schedule. So if we go to today, that now we need to do this. So let's go like welcome post is going to be done in one day, and this is going to start day after. So today we'll create the welcome post. Tomorrow we invite the members, and then we can keep going and we can see exactly what are the projects we're working on and what are the tasks associated with it, and then the deadline, etc., etc. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's very easy to get started with this task management system. I hope you guys got a lot of this, that you're going to be way more productive by yourself or with your team, and that you'll be able to bring some clarity to your business to be able to scale easier and faster than ever before. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.